What are you doing over there? Mr. Furley.
I'm Mike Lewis of Mike
What you doing?
When you've been injured on the job, it's important to know all the benefits you may deserve.
What are you doing, Mr. Furley?
Information about your legal rights from a workers' comp board-certified specialist, go to MikeLewisAttorneys.com. Trust the insurance
What you doing?
companies to protect you and your family.
What you doing?
Way too important. Call them. Every member. There's no fee.
What you doing?
I promise. Mike Lewis Attorneys.
You want me to rub your tummy, don't you? That's what Mr. Furley wants. Mr. Furley wants his tummy rubbed. That's what he wants, don't you, baby? You right. Mr. Furley wants his tummy rubbed. That's right. Mommy's done rubbing your tummy. Now what? Now what? Now what? Maybe Mommy will sit down. Mommy was gonna sit down. Now you gotta eat my arm and everything. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. He's clawing on my hand. Ouch. You get me, Mr. Furley? Woo! Oh my. This is why I can't sit down on the couch. And this is why I gotta keep the couch covered. Mr. Furley, what if I wanted to lay down and take a nap?